Brushing your teeth is very important. It helps prevent cavities from forming in your mouth. You need to brush your teeth at least 2 times a day, one in the morning and 1 time in the evening. This is how you properly brush your teeth. First, get your toothbrush. Then, get your toothpaste. Put a small pea-shaped dab of toothpaste onto your toothbrush and put your toothpaste back. Then, you need to make sure to brush your teeth for 2 full minutes. A good way to keep track of that is with a sand timer. Make sure to get all cracks and crevices between your teeth. When you need to spit, carefully spit into the sink. You can also run some water after that too. Make sure to get your gums above your teeth and below your teeth. Making sure to brush all your teeth is very important to prevent cavities from forming on any tooth. When your sand timer is done, simply rinse your toothbrush and place it back into your holder on your counter.